Hi, today I would like to give you a closer look at my chain generator add-on. With this tool you can add functional and decorative chains to your scene with just a few clicks, using a library of over 250 chains, straps and other elements. You can add sagging and draw chains on curve. It significantly speeds up your workflow and let you focus on what matters most: creating. In this video I will show you how to install and use chain generator add-on. To install chain generator, go to Edit, Preferences, choose Install from Disk and select Zip file. Once installed, chain generator will appear in the right sidebar. To use chain generator, go to Edit mode, select the edge where you want the chain to appear, choose the chain you want to use and click Generate Chain. Once you generate it, the adjustment panel will appear in the bottom left corner. Here you will find several settings that allow you to customize your chain. Adjust offset moves the chain closer or farther away from the surface. Scale controls the overall size of the chain. Keep in mind that chain generator automatically tries to fit the chain along the entire curve, so using a very large scale can sometimes cause distortion. Tilt controls the rotation of the chain around its own axis. If you want the chain to follow your geometry very precisely, you may need to change the handle type to vector. However, this can sometimes create sharper bends, so in most cases automatic works best. Automatic creates smoother transition and it's ideal for rounded shapes. Also remember that chains are always generated according to the direction of the surface normals. So if you can't see your chain, it may have been generated inside the object. In that case, flipping the normals should solve the problem. You also have several twist method options. If you notice that your chain is twisting or behaves strangely, try change the curve twist method. Depending on the shape of your curve, another option may give you much better result. Switch direction changes the direction of the generated chain. You can also change the chain in real time by clicking Load Asset. This means you can quickly test different chains without even leaving the adjustment panel. Another useful feature in chain generator is sag. By enabling it, you can automatically create hanging section along your chain. Sag amount controls how far the chain hangs down. Sag count controls how many attachment points are created along the curve. Sag resolution increases the resolution of the curve used to create the sag. Bottom width lets you control the shape of the lower part of the sag. Sharp top makes the upper part of the sag sharper. Keep in mind that the very sharp settings can sometimes slightly distort the chain near the attachment points. There is also a delete source object option, which allows you to automatically remove the original object used to generate the curve. Another really useful feature is draw chain. There are two drawing modes available: view plane and surface. With a view plane, you can draw a chain directly from your current viewport. Simply select your chain, click draw chain and start drawing the path where you want the chain to appear. Once the chain has been drawn, addition controls become available, including scale, tilt and sag, allowing you to adjust the chain immediately. Draw on surface allows you to draw chains directly on a selected surface. Just select the object you want to draw on and click draw chain. After drawing the chain, the same adjustment option as in viewplane mode will appear. At the moment, chain generator includes 253 different chains and elements. And just like with ornament generator, I plan to continue expand chain generator with new chains and additional features. If you purchase chain generator now, all future updates will be completely free. I hope you will enjoy using the add-on. If you are interested in getting chain generator, you can find link below. And if you like chain generator, I also highly recommend checking out my ornament generator. It includes a library of over 420 ornaments across 13 different styles, and it's already trusted by more than 1000 amazing artists. It works in a very similar way to chain generator. If you are interested, check out link in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next update.